Your lunch meal prep just got easy. Maybe your dinner meal prep. I'm actually buying these to eat at home, not at school. But hey, I might take them to school. Be easy enough to take to school, right? Make sure that nobody gets into them. Add what I want, mix it up, eat it. But don't eat all of it at one time. Put the lid back on it. Easy. I like easy. Taylor Farms prepackaged salads. I got mine from Dollar General. They are about $4.50 each at my local Dollar General. I've had the Fiesta one. It was delicious. I went back today to get one of each of the different styles of salad that's available at my local Dollar General. We have chef salad with chicken and ham, Swiss cheese grilled white chicken, meat, ham with ranch dressing. Everything comes in little sections, so if there's something that you don't like, you don't have to add it. They even include a fork. The chef salad is 320 calories and 15 grams of protein. We have a Fiesta salad with chicken, lettuce blend, chili lime seasoned white chicken meat, roasted corn, 4 cheese blend, seasoned tortilla chips with salsa ranch dressing. 280 calories per bowl and 11 grams of protein. A Caesar salad, romaine lettuce, grilled white chicken meat, Parmesan cheese, and creamy Caesar dressing. Looks great. The Caesar salad has 310 calories and provides 17 grams of protein. Cobb Salad, chicken and bacon, romaine lettuce, blend, egg, grilled white chicken meat, bacon, blue cheese dressing. 350 calories, 14 grams of protein. Whoops, actually it's only 4 different kinds. So I just got 2 of the Fiesta chickens. Here is my second Fiesta salad. So cute how this just lifts out. A little bag of chips and my bag of dressing. And I bought this 2 days ago, so some of the lettuce is already like turning brown. These may not be the thing for meal prep. You may have to just kind of buy these and eat them like pretty quickly because it's pretty brown. I'm gonna eat it anyway. Yummies. Here we have the Cobb salad, again with romaine lettuce, blend, egg, grilled white chicken meat, bacon, blue cheese dressing. This one's great. I do love blue cheese dressing. So this lettuce still looks pretty good. I bought all of them the same day, Saturday. Today's Tuesday. So this one looks pretty good. Maybe I just got one that had been sitting out for a while. Looks good, doesn't it? Here's our meat and our eggs and our other meat. Cobb salad is not my favorite, but there's nothing really in here that I dislike. Just really kind of forget about a Cobb salad. There's usually better choices that sound more appealing to me. Pretty easy to open this one. Fairly thick dressing. That's a good sign. I love blue cheese, so I'm probably going to be licking this little container. Get what I can out nicely with the lettuce, though. Be nice about it. Pretty good. Beautiful, isn't it? The Caesar salad has romaine lettuce, grilled white chicken meat, and Parmesan cheese with creamy Caesar dressing. The lettuce still looks pretty good. A lot of white and light. Have my fork. Whoever designed this package did a really good job. So this is just a lot of cheese and chicken. That's okay too. Pretty thick dressing. Really thick. Get a piece of chicken in there to scoop this out. I will get the rest of that dressing out. Let's give it a taste. Very good. That is really good. Well done, Townsel Farms. The chef salad, again, chicken and ham, romaine lettuce, blend, Swiss cheese, grilled white chicken meat, ham, ranch dressing. 320 calories, 15 grams of protein. Ranch dressing. The lettuce looks really nice and bright on this one. This is, I've had it in the refrigerator for a week. Still looks fresh. Very tasty. Ten out of 10 recommend these salads. All have been delicious. All of the salads were quite tasty. I had absolutely no complaints from anyone. I just had that weird one Fiesta salad where the lettuce was a little brown, but I actually went back yesterday and got 6 more, and I am taking these to work for my meal prep. They're just so easy and they're so tasty. Yummy. Go to your Dollar General and try these. Wherever you can find them. Townsel Farms. Well done. If you have time before you go, watch another video and leave a positive comment. Consider subscribing to my channel, giving the video a thumbs up, sharing this if possible. And until we meet again, let's just help each other find solutions to this wonderful thing we call life.